How to go full screen on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you the two ways to make any application or window full screen in Windows. So let's dive in. First method is simply you can snap to the edge of the screen. For that, let's open Chrome browser. And then you can easily drag it and snap to the edge of the screen. After that, you need to simply release the mouse. And this will occupy the entire display. And now in order to exit full screen, you can easily drag the window away from the top edge and back to your desired size. In this way, you can easily enable the full screen or simply disable full screen on Windows. The second method, you need to look for maximize button. In the upper right corner of the app window is the square icon next to the minimize button. You can click to expand the app to full screen. To return to the normal window size, click Restore Down button in the same spot. And that's it. These two methods make it super easy to go full screen on any app or window in Windows. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tip and tips tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.